JIYANG 360 Photo Booth Machine Review. Real event results rental businesses trust. You know that sinking feeling when your event entertainment flops and guests just stand around awkwardly? I watched a colleague scramble last summer when her hired photographer bailed 2 hours before a corporate launch party. The panic was real. She ended up with shaky iPhone videos and zero social media traction from a 5-figure event budget. Frustrating, right? Have you ever felt that same dread when your event needs something memorable but dependable? Those wasted moments pile up silently. Stress rises every time you invest thousands into events that generate zero viral content or organic reach. You've burned hours researching entertainment options that promise engagement but underdeliver completely. Deadlines pass, budgets drain, and that visceral knot of anxiety tightens in your chest during every planning meeting. But there's a smoother path, one that delivers shareable content without the constant technical headaches or staffing nightmares. Then I discovered something that changed everything about event content creation. Don't just grab any rotating video booth. Make sure it has APP remote control and custom logo branding so you never deal with generic, unshareable content that does nothing for your brand again. The JIYANG 360 Photo Booth machine delivers exactly this breakthrough experience. The 39.4-inch professional platform holds up to 2 people comfortably, while the automatic slow-motion rotating arm captures cinematic 360-degree video from every angle. The included flight case protects your investment between venues perfectly. One event coordinator I know was seconds from canceling her client's product launch when her video crew ghosted. She deployed this booth, activated the APP remote control, added custom brand logos through the software, and suddenly generated over 300 organic social media posts from attendees in 48 hours. The system handles everything: high frame rate capture, instant slow-motion processing, effects overlays, background music integration, and QR code sharing that gets videos onto phones within seconds. Here's what transforms events. Guests become your content creators automatically. Efficiency compounds dramatically when entertainment creates measurable marketing value simultaneously. Time savings emerge immediately because one booth operator replaces entire camera crews while generating superior shareable content. Focus sharpens when every video automatically includes your custom branding, event hashtags, and professional effects without manual editing. A professional photo booth rental business owner recently shared that this machine paid for itself within the first month through corporate bookings alone, generating consistent 4-figure weekend revenue. One marketing influencer specializing in event technology noted how the slow-motion rotating effect produces engagement rates significantly higher than traditional photo booths or static backdrops. Industry data tracking experiential marketing consistently shows that 360 video content receives 3 to 5 times more social shares than standard event photography. Real rental operators report running 60-plus events without a single mechanical failure, verified across operator forums and business communities. Now, some worry about the learning curve with new technology. Fair concern, but the APP interface becomes intuitive within minutes, and the remote control eliminates the need to physically touch the booth during operation. Worth the investment? Absolutely. See why event professionals refuse to book events without it now. The reliability holds up flawlessly through hundreds of activations. What's your biggest event content challenge right now? Choosing equipment that transforms guests into brand ambassadors while creating viral-ready content changes everything about event ROI. Results may vary based on your specific events and audience, but join the thousands of event planners, rental businesses, and marketing teams already experiencing smoother operations and measurable social media impact with the JIYANG 360 Photo Booth machine. This investment genuinely matters. The combination of automatic slow-motion capture, custom branding capability, APP remote control, and professional flight case protection creates real business value. Ready to transform your events? Click the link below and experience the difference today.
For demo videos and current pricing, check the link in the description.